What's up guys, Andre here, and today we are going to take a look at a pair of headphones from Sony. And before I go any further, I'm going to add that these are phenomenal quality, and I'm also going to leave links in the description down below so you guys can check these out. Now these are the Sony MDR XB450AP. There's also the XB500s, so those are also better. Now without further ado, let's roll the intro and unbox these bad boys. Close it. Okay guys, so I have here the headphones, and if you guys can see, these are hands-free for phone calls, Android, iPod, and iPhone, and still BlackBerry. Hopefully I can do a cool little video about that coming up right away. Now, flipping it around, these are bass booster headphones. Nothing that will knock your socks off, but hopefully it is something that will add a little bit of extra crisp punch. Now, without further ado, I'm gonna unbox these bad boys, and then we will take a quick look at how they sound and really my final thoughts on them. Alright, so now if we crack open this beautiful box and we peep at what is inside, it is a box within a box. Now, what else can you expect from Sony? Crack this open. Here we have the headphones in a very nice black metallic finish. Over here we have the user manual, some rubber pads not to scratch the metal. Here we have the cable, and really I believe that is about it. Looking here at the headphones, they're very lightweight. Got the nice logo branding. Very, very lightweight, flexible, a little bit of twist, and also you can adjust the cup size. You can twist them in, so you can obviously keep them around your neck. And also they have some very nice leather ear cups. So that is very good, real nice to see from Sony. And of course, like many headphones have nowadays, we have the left and right indicators on each ear cup. Now, putting that aside, let's go with that so we don't scratch that beautiful finish. Right here, we've got the cable, which seems to be causing us some problems to get out the wrapping. There we go. Real nice flat cable, which is very nice. This seems to be gold-plated audio jack, which is phenomenal. It also has a universal pause start button, and over here on the back side, a little microphone. Now we will do a sound test of these, but also let's see back in the box if the manual gives us any specific instructions that we should follow. Sorry, my phone vibrated. Let's take that off. Yeah, there seems to be nothing else but just instructions. So without further ado, let's go and take a look at how these sound. Alright guys, so we're gonna do the sound test right now. First I'm gonna put them on, see how they feel, and then I'll play them out loud, see how loud they get, and then we'll go from there. Left ear cup, right ear cup. They just sit on top of the ear. They are pretty good at noise cancellation, but they're not phenomenal. So now let's just plug this in here, and let's play some jams. Crisp audio quality. Now let me crank this up. Not bad. Very loud. Yeah, that hurts the ears if you max it. So my final impressions, like, these are great budget headphones. Nothing that will knock your socks off, but ideally, they're a really good bang for the buck. It's got good mids, crisp bass, even decent lows, and the highs are decent. And yeah, I personally think these are very good. But if you guys don't believe me, I do want my brother to try these out so he can give you guys his opinion. So hopefully that can give you a bit of a better idea from another perspective how they sound. So Nick, even though you don't know much about audio, come here and let's see how these sound for you.
Is it on full blast?
No. I'll just turn it down. Sit down.
They're comfy.
They're comfy?
Yeah.
How do they feel? Just nice?
Yeah.
Is it like isolating the sound a little bit? You can't hear everything? It's good? Isolating the sound?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's play it. You want me to turn it up?
No, it's good.
It's good? You want to hear how loud it goes?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can hear it from here.
I can't hear you.
How's the quality sound?
It's like really clear. It's clear.
Yeah, that's one way to put it. It's got very clear audio. So, thank you for doing that for me.
It's like comfy and everything.
Now again, final thoughts. These are not the best headphones out there on the market, but if you're looking for a cheap budget headphones for whether it's for university, just so you can chill out, jam out to, these are phenomenal. They got the great cable. It's got the great the 3.5 millimeter jack. It's got the input mic. It's got the pause button. So overall, I like they got the little swivel. You can fit any size head basically. Very big, very comfortable. Even my brother said so, and he likes over-the-ear headphones. He likes the ones that just completely cover his ear over the ones that just sit on your ear like these ones. And yeah, final thoughts. I think these are great. Anybody should pick these up. And before I end off the video, I apologize for all of the studio changes, the background changes. I am experimenting with the channel. And thank you guys for bearing with me. But until then, I want you guys to know that technology never sleeps.